Good morning, fam. Got a good video today. My gatekeeper right here. Close up the gate, sir. Whoosh, whoosh. All right, everyone on YouTube, this video is going to be a little bit hard to swallow. There's going to be some negative comments, but to all my YouTube friends, man, you got to hear me out in this one. I have a lot of friends too that got stuck by this. I'm not hating on you. I still like you guys. It's just you got to understand where I'm coming from. So we're going to hit some Jack in the Box, get some breakfast, and then we're going to make a snowcat video. Jack in the Box, where are you? Then we'll start this rant video about everyone getting all mad and upset and bitching about the new YouTube creator rules. Nice, we got 2 car alarms, woo! Are those for me? I'll take those. He's like, get away from me. Oh dude, look at this breakfast, man. 2 breakfast croissants. Supreme sausage. I'm all about that supreme sausage, bud. Alrighty, boys and girls. We've just finished Jack in the Box. Had some beautiful breakfast croissants. Had some coffee. Now let's talk about the topic at hand here. I have some friends in the YouTube community that will be offended by this. Don't worry, I still like you guys. Just hear what I have to say. For those of you who don't know, that don't care about YouTube crap, don't watch this video, go to the next one. But I want to talk about the new rules that came out for the partnership program, which means you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to be able to monetize your videos now. And everyone is complaining. So let's talk about it, and I'll give you my take on it after this traffic light, after this short commercial break. So what that means for your channel is that you must have people watching your channel cumulatively for 4,000 hours, which sounds like a lot, but it's not. It's nothing. And just to put that in perspective, last year I had 4 million hours of watch time, and the year before that I think it was 2.6 million hours. So it's, you know, for a creator of my size, which is small to be honest, it's not that hard to hit. If you're making less than 4,000 hours, you know, it's going to be a tough pill to swallow, but you're not going to get paid for what you do. But then again though, is 10 bucks a month really worth it to the overall cost of your channel? I heard some comments saying I have to buy software, I have to buy cameras and SD cards and everything. I'm like, well, is 20 bucks really going to put a dent in that $500 purchase? I think the answer is no. You have to invest in your business. Just like any other business, you have to invest and put capital into it to make money. Same with YouTube. You don't get paid right away now. And I kind of like that, to be honest, because it stops the re-upload channels. Channels download your stuff, re-upload it, try to make money off your stuff. They get caught, they get deleted, they make a new channel, and they do it again. There's nothing stopping them from doing that, which now there is. They make no money now. It's not worth it anymore for them, which is really dope, I think. Man, he's got all the fins on that thing. All the canards. How many canards do you want, sir? All of them. It also stops the small channels that nobody knows about making an exposed video. They expose you to make views or to become popular. I've had so many channels, nobody is trying to expose me, use my name to get somewhere, and then they give up on YouTube and they just disappear. And I hate that too. It's like, you know, you give me some hate from your subscribers, you give me some, you know, use my popularity to get you subscribers and views, and it hurts me, which I hate too. So that stops those people, which is kind of nice. And you know, for the real YouTuber who actually wants to do YouTube and make quality content and be a part of the community, it just makes them work a little bit harder to make sure the content is good to reach those thresholds. Now, I'm gonna get the comments saying, oh, Snowcat, you already have millions of views and subscribers and this and that, right? And you don't know what it's like. Well, actually, I didn't make a cent off YouTube until like 80,000 subscribers. Because when I started YouTube, you had to be invited to make money. You had to get invited by YouTube to be a part of their platform and their program. Now you can just sign up and get it, you know? Well, I had to work for it, man. I had like 5-10 million views and 80,000 subscribers before I made a cent, which is way more difficult than 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Big whoop. I say quit bitching about it and just adapt to it. And if you are bitching about it so much to the point that you don't want to do it anymore, then don't do it. It's not that big of a you know, a threshold to hit. And I think that the people that are just bitching about it, you know, don't just adapt or leave. Is you know what I'm trying to say. And what sucks is, Bart, as I have friends that didn't reach that threshold. So if you guys see this, I still love you. I still love you. But remember, 5 years ago, we had it way harder than you. Hit 80,000 subscribers without getting paid, and then tell me how it feels, you know? And that's some good money back then. So, you know, make videos for wanting to make videos. Make videos for your subscribers. Make videos to be a part of the community. Like just you know, like I kept saying in all my other videos I make for small YouTubers, is people do it for the wrong reason. They want subscribers, they want fame, they want money, but they don't want to work for it. And it really bothers me. It's like, I've been doing this for 6 years, 7 years now. And, oh, look at this. Please hold. Here we go, buddy. Oh, what a way to end a video, hey? That sounds so good. So, to my YouTuber friends, work hard, make content for your subscribers, you know, and just enjoy it. Don't worry about the numbers, the fame, or whatever, because that's not gonna come right away. You have to work hard for it, you know? And look at my channel, you know, I barely get any views anymore because YouTube flipped the switch and they prefer to have family-friendly suicide forest videos that they promote, you know what I'm saying? So, anyways, I think we've passed the Suzuki dealership. We should probably pull over somewhere and double check because I'm too busy ranting about this topic to even pay attention to where we're going. And I don't know where my wallet is. Great. Well, normally it's in my pocket. Yeah. So let's pull over to the right here somewhere. All right, boys and girls, that's my video on the new rules. It's not that big of a deal, and you can do it. That's my end. You know, my end closing comments. Honestly, man, 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Like I said, 80,000 subscribers and like 5 million views. I didn't get a cent, so don't worry about it. But then again, these new YouTubers don't know about the hardships of way back when, man. We couldn't even have channel art. You had to be invited to get that feature too, man. You couldn't even change your home page. It was all just one. Yeah, that's back in the day, bruh. Anyways, guys, till next video. Peace.